Hi there, this video covers everything from reviewing the form to previewing, testing, and publishing it. First, fill out each field in the form with test data. If you find any errors, return to the previous form building step-by-step guides to correct the field or form settings. Click on Preview and fill in the Inspector Information form section. You can skip the Capture GPS field since we are testing in the portal and are not on a mobile device. Scroll down to the Vehicle Information section and select a vehicle number from the drop-down to test your lookup list fields. Select whichever vehicle number you want to test. Now scroll down to the Checklist section. Test the functionality of the checklist fields by selecting any of the options given, which is Pass, Fail, or NA. If you select Pass, no other fields appear. If you select Fail or NA, you should see yellow comments and photo fields appear. Scroll down to the Mileage Log section. This section contains a subform field we want to test. Complete the mileage records subform with test data. Fill in the date, time, purpose, start address, and end address fields. Next, test the mileage calculation field. Type in a start odometer and end odometer amount. Back on the main form, you will see the number 1 appear in the mileage records field. This means there is a subform submissions instance logged within this form. Let's add another subform instance to test the calculation field on the main form. Click Add New. Add test subform data. Be sure to select a date that falls within the same week as your first subform submission. Fill out all necessary information in the second subform. Back on the main form, you will see the number 2 appear in the mileage records field. This means your 2 subform submissions were successfully logged within this form. Scroll down to the Sign Off section. Fill in the form with test data. We have successfully tested our vehicle inspection checklist. Now let's consider how we can share this form or request a review from a teammate. Review is useful when you want another user to review and test this form before dispatching it as a task to your field users. All you need to send a form out for review is the email address of the intended reviewer. Final step is publishing the form. You have successfully reviewed and tested, and it is ready to be published. Click on Publish Live.